Monosaccharides are a simple, fast-releasing energy carbohydrate that stimulates the sweetness, taste sensation. This is analogous to sugar daddies and money. Even extremely low concentration of sugars in foods will stimulate the sweetness, taste sensation. Similarly, when you're broke and need the bills paid, monosaccharide caretakers starts to make sense.
Hello, cutie pie.
Sweetness varies between the different carbohydrate types. Some are much sweeter and worth much more than others. Monosaccharides and monosaccharide caretakers include glucose, galactose, and fructose. Glucose is a preferred energy source for all organisms from bacteria to plants and animals. The brain is completely dependent on glucose as its energy source.
Except during extreme starvation conditions.
Glucose comes from plants. Plants convert the energy in sunlight to chemical energy in the molecule glucose. Plants use glucose to make other, larger, more slow-releasing carbohydrates.
We will deal with these guys later.
When we eat plants, we harvest the energy of glucose to support life's processes. The monosaccharide galactose is different from glucose, as a hydroxyl or OH group faces a different direction on the number 4 carbon, causing less structural stability, resulting in the liver rapidly converting it to glucose. A galactose guardian can basically be considered an android, to be honest. Galactose is not synthesized in plants during photosynthesis like glucose and fructose are, but is synthesized in the body. Galactose is part of the disaccharide lactose and is free during the digestion process after dairy consumption. Galactose is about as sweet as glucose and is also found in sugar beets and avocados, to name a few foods. Most absorbed galactose is used for energy production in cells after its conversion to glucose. It is also used to form part of the many proteins and lipids in several tissues. Fructose,
Nicknamed Fructose Father,
has the same chemical formula in glucose, but has a different chemical structure. Its ring structure contains only 5 carbons and not 6. It is an energy source like glucose for other cells in the body. It is used to form glycogen, which is an energy storage in muscles in the liver, and is used in de novo lipogenesis to form fat when too much excess fructose is consumed. Fructose is one of the most common monosaccharides in nature, found in plants and mainly fruits, sugarcane, and honey, and is the sweetest naturally occurring sugar. It is also a synthesis product during photosynthesis in plants. It is found in pop, cereals, and whatever else has high fructose corn syrup in it.
Check out Diabetics, I'll tell you all about it.
Pentoses are less common monosaccharides than monosaccharide caretakers and have only 5 carbons and not 6. Pentoses are abundant in the nucleic acids RNA and DNA and also as components of fiber, the
polysaccharide.
Sugar alcohols are industrially synthesized derivatives of monosaccharides. These are the robotic sugar daddies. Calm down, they are sugar alcohols because of their chemical makeup, not because they have real alcohol in them. Sugar alcohol daddies are often used to replace table sugar because they can be almost just as sweet and they are not completely digested and absorbed by the body, so they have less calories. Also, they're robots, you don't have to deal with their old age. They include sorbitol, xylitol, and glycerol. It's not caused tooth decay because the bacteria in the mouth does not combine with sugar alcohol as it does with sugars to reduce acids that damage teeth. Check out this channel for the entire nutrition course, other educational videos, and to learn in detail about dye and polysaccharides and the roles they play in the human body. Or if your monosaccharide caretaker is holding you hostage and you need a way to escape.